Hey there, fellow travelers and rental enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of short-term rentals and uncovering the biggest mistakes that can cost homeowners a pretty penny. Now, I'm not just talking about a few bucks here and there, we are talking about significant losses that could have been easily avoided. So, grab your popcorn, settle in, and let's explore the top blunders that short-term rental owners make and how to steer clear of them. First up, we've got a classic: bad listing photos. Now, I know what you're thinking, who cares about photos? But let me tell you, in the competitive world of short-term rentals, photos are everything. They are the first thing potential renters see, and if they are not up to par, you might as well be invisible. So, what's the fix? Well, it's simple: pay for a professional photographer. Yes, it might seem like an extra expense, but trust me, it's worth it. A good photographer can showcase your rental's best features and answer all the questions renters have before they even book. It's like having a secret weapon in the rental game. Now, let's talk about the importance of clean bedding. I mean, who wants to sleep in a bed that looks like it's seen better days? It's a no-brainer, right? But some rental owners still neglect this crucial aspect. So, the solution: fresh, cozy sleep spaces. White sheets, fresh duvets, and bed skirts are a must. If you see metal legs or the box spring, it's a deal breaker for me. Now, let's move on to reviews. I know, no one likes reading negative reviews, but they are crucial for attracting new renters. So, how do we fix this? Encourage guests to leave reviews, even if they are bad. Respond to them, rectify any issues, and you'll build a solid reputation. It's like building a strong brand, but for rentals. Next up, we've got the age-old mistake of neglecting bad smells and stains. I mean, who wants to stay in a place that smells like a wet dog or has stains on the walls? It's a no-go for me. So, the solution: keep it immaculate, tidy, and aesthetic. Use magic erasers, wash rugs, and ensure your space smells good. It's all about creating a welcoming environment. Now, let's talk about design. I know, we all love a good aesthetic, but in the world of rentals, functionality and longevity should be your top priorities. So, splurge on quality products, but know they'll get wear and tear. Performance fabric for upholstery is a must, and clear your rental of any personal objects or photos. It's all about creating a space that feels like a home away from home. Finally, we've got the classic mistake of assuming renters will reach out if they need something. I mean, who wants to be stuck in a rental with no one to turn to? So, the solution: anticipate your guests' needs. Supply laundry detergent, ensure they have space to store their toiletries, and provide a simple TV, and AC heat setup. It's all about making their stay as comfortable as possible. Now, let's wrap things up with the final mistake: bad communication. I mean, who wants to wait around for a text or message back? It's a deal breaker for me. So, the solution: communicate promptly and clearly. Treat your rentals like a business, and if you can't respond quickly, consider hiring a professional property manager. There you have it, folks. The biggest mistakes short-term rental owners make and how to avoid them. Remember, it's all about creating a memorable experience for your guests. So, the next time you're considering a short-term rental, keep these tips in mind, and you'll be on your way to a successful and thriving rental business. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.